Are you curious about what's inside this 49 and Market mystery box? It's called 49 Forever and stick around to find out. Hi crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs and welcome to my channel. Today it came in the mail. This is the 49 and Market mystery box and it's called 49 Forever. So I thought we could go through the contents and you can see what is inside. Let me get this, the tape here. Alright, let's see. I'm pretty excited. I've never gotten one of these before, so. Oh, my goodness. Alright. Wow! Look at all this stuff. This is so exciting. Oh. I think some of my other things that I had ordered are in here. Anyway, I had ordered this box from A Cherry on Top, and I will link that in the description box so that you can go check it out over there. Let's see. Oh wow. This is a memory journal in the color of Mariner, and it is a vegan leather album. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Look at the inside of that. That is so beautiful, and I love how flexible it is. Ugh. And there are strings in here to insert folios and pages, and there's lots of pockets, all that kind of cool stuff. Oh, this is gorgeous. I think that's worth the price of admission by itself. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay. This is Vintage Bits, and this is the Memory Journal Essentials in the color Mariner. So I'm assuming this goes with this. You can probably put, there's like little notebooks in there and tags and stuff. That's very exciting. Then we have the Color Swatch Peach Rub-On Transfer Set. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at the butterflies, flowers, leaves, the splotches with the text. These look like tape, and they also have like the stitching edges and then some labels with words on that. That's a great little set. Holy cow, like I just can't even, the amount of stuff that's in here for the price that you pay is unbelievable. I'm flabbergasted, actually. This is the Sunburst Cluster Kit. It's got the enamel dots, some threads, some little clothespins, buttons. It's got some chipboard. Let's see what's in here. We have laser cut elements, adhesive back thin chipboard elements, 5 pieces of ephemera, buttons, wooden clips, waxed cord, and a sheet of blue enamel dots. And then it gives you examples of what you can make with what's in this kit. It's so cute. Very beachy. Alright, let's see. This one is the Vintage Artistry Everywhere Essentials file set, and it's got these awesome pockets that you can put in your journals or in a card. If you wanted to put it on the front, you could put flowers and things like that, or put it inside. You could use it for a gift card. Ooh, look at all these. A lot of maps. There's file folders, and then there's little pockets. And then you have these other style pockets in there. So, wow, these are great. Oh goodness, and we have some Christmas stuff in here too. Look at this. The Christmas Spectacular These are the general laser cut elements. Let's see. Oh, these are great. I would take them out, but we were going to be here all day with all of this stuff. So maybe I will do it in another video. Alright. Oh, this one we have the Countryside Rub-On Transfer Set. And this is, you know, countryside themed, and you have a lot of sunflowers, like kind of chicken wire, Rub-Ons chicken, a lot of country words over here. You've got the splotches with the chickens. That's really cute. So that's a pack of Rub-Ons. And then we have these beautiful Christmas Spectacular Wishing Bubbles and Baubles. And these are like enamel stickers. These would be great. Add a little nice touch to the front of a card or a sticker on the envelope. Oh my goodness, what is this? Vintage Artistry Naturalist Bookplates. Includes 17 mix and match book pages and spreads. So there are pieces of these collections that I have never seen before. These are awesome. And these are all die cuts, and you can make or decorate little books with that. I love this one. Oh, that is great. Alright, let's see. We have the 49 Market Vintage Artistry Nature Study Mushrooms washi tape. So that's got lots of good stuff on there. We have the Ticket Essentials. These are the vintage bits. And this is Salsa. This is a great color. Let me just peek. Ooh. Kind of pinky red corally. Oh, I love these special delivery. That's great. Then we have Ticket Essentials, and this is in Fern. So that's the same thing in green. We have the Ticket Essentials in Plum. Oh, that's a great color. Look at that. Beautiful. And then we have the same thing in Lagoon. This is a great green-blue color. Alright, we have a little package of flowers. I've wanted to try out their flowers before, but I hadn't purchased any. These are the Rustic blooms in the color of Bluejay. And you could use them for, you know, scrapbook layout, that kind of a thing, but you could use them for a card. They're thin enough. The stamen things stick up a little bit, but if you put a piece of cardstock over your card and then put it in the envelope, you could probably get it through the mail. No problem. Oh my goodness. Okay, we still are going here. This is the Vintage Artistry Tranquility Sentiments. And this is a 12 by 12 Rub-Ons. And let's see, we'll look at the back here. Oh, these are such nice messages. Happy days are here. Life is good. Love you. Living the good life. These would be great for a wedding. Oh. And then there was paper. And a lot of it. Alright, are you ready for this avalanche of stuff that's gonna come? Ready? 3, 2, 1. There. Let me just get organized a little bit here. Alright, so we have a bunch of loose papers. A lot of these would go with these, the tickets. A lot of peach. Oh, this one is with the travel and the sailing. Some from nature study. Oh, wow. Countryside. Tranquility. This is from the art options, Avesta. This would be a great scrapbook page. Oh, I love this lace. This one's from the Toast, the Color Swatch Toast. This is from the Sunburst. So you could use this with the other kit. Oh, I love these stamps. You could even cut these up. This is a from the Spectrum Sherbet collection. This is Blueberry. This is another Sunburst. This is from Spectrum Gardenia. This is Curators Botanical. Color Swatch Ocean. Oh wow, look how fun this is. This is back to that Sunburst. That is a really cool page with like the dictionary definitions on there. Ooh, I love this. Nature Study Ledger. That makes for a great background. Love it. I love the art options. Plum Grove. One of my favorites. Oh, look at the back. Serenity, Quiet Moments. I love this. The colors are gorgeous. Here we are again with the Plum Grove. Ocean. This is so beautiful, these colors together. My goodness. The Nature Study Ledger. Plum Grove. The Spectrum Gardenia. Wow, those colors. Oh, look at this one. That's from the same collection. Love that, the color wheel. This is Nature Study, and it's Tattered Writings. I love that. And it's got the script and the plaid. Oh, wow. This is a Spectrum Gardenia too, and this is called Floral Blaze. Oh, so gorgeous. The Plum Grove, Nature Study. This is the Nature Study Ledger paper. Plum Grove. I love the colors in this. This makes for great fall too. Oh wow, look at this. The Spectrum Gardenia. This one also. I love that detailing. Oh, look at this side. Oh my goodness. 49 Market is the best paper ever. Oh, look at that. And I love this Nature Study etchings. Plum Grove. Spectrum Gardenia. Spectrum Gardenia. I love this one. This will make a great background. Spectrum Gardenia again. The same. I love this detailing. Spectrum Gardenia. And, oh no, thought we were at the last, but look at this. This is gorgeous. Ugh. What will it be? I wonder. You could guess from the back maybe? And we are at Plum Grove. Okay, so let me just show you this stack. This is how many papers you get. This is probably worth the price of admission by itself. So you get all these amazing things, and this gorgeous journal, and all of this, and all of this, and all of this. So yeah, I'm pretty excited and thrilled with this mystery box. This is awesome, like Christmas in October. Anyway, so I will put a link to this one. I think I had said I had gotten a cherry on top, and I will put the link to that, and if I find it elsewhere, I'll put the link for that as well. And I do have affiliate links, which means if you click on them and end up making a purchase, I might make a small commission, and that really helps out me and my channel, and I really appreciate shopping through my links. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and until next time, take care and have a great day.